Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've shown you the news, the front page of this newspaper. We have a new government here after 175 days. Yeah, after the election, yeah. We have a new coalition. 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, number 8544. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has actually 24 printed digits. 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Well, I see a lot of ones. So let me start with a 1 then. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 in the third row, no 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1 and 1. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 6. We have 2 and 6 in this row, so no 2 and 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. Almost 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 4. Oh, we have a pair here. 4 and the 6 in the first column, 4 and the 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, 4, 4. 3, 3, okay. Well. 4, 4. Need a 4 there. 4, 4. Cannot continue with a 4 now. Need to wait. How about? Need an 8 there. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need an 8 there. And need a 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this column, no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Then let me see. How about? Need an 8 there. Need a 6 there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. Overlooked. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left. The 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. Only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. I need a 5 here. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column. The only place left, the 4 I should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4, okay. Now. Now. Come on. How about the 2? Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 to 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes in there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left, the 9 should be there. 9. Need a 9 there. Need 8 there, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8. 7, 8. There means 1 digit left in this big square for them. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So we have 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, from the third row. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Alright, 8, 8. So 1 box left in this third row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 to 7. 2 and the 7. Well, need to wait. I need to wait. 6, 1. Okay. Need an 8 here. Need a 9. I need a 5 also. 5, 5. I need a 5 there. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Interesting. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. 7, 8, or a 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Thinking. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 5 there. I'm stuck. 5, 5, 5, 5. Right here. 3, 7. Need a 9 here. About there then. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3. 2, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in the last column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, 2. About the 5 then? Yeah, 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. We have a pair here, 5 and 8 in this column. 5 and 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. That's 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. So we need a 9 there. 7, 8. Need a 5 here. Yeah, 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5, okay. Then, yeah. 2. 1, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. Last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. The 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 9 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes exactly. Well, with 24 printed digits. Let me give this a 1 star and 4 star. Then 50 minutes. Well. Less problems than the previous Sudoku, but we solve it again. And I like this one here, so really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.